How to transfer WhatsApp from iPhone to Android without cable. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Visnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can transfer WhatsApp from iPhone to Android without cable. Now, the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide it through. In order to transfer the WhatsApp from iPhone to Android device without any cable, all you have to do is here first open up WhatsApp. Now I'm here on the Android device, but I'll just be guiding you through. On your iPhone, you want to open up WhatsApp and head into the settings. Under settings, you want to head into the the chats option, not the account, but the chats option. Here under chat, you'll find the option that says chat backup, right? You want to tap on it and then you want to back up all your chats. It might take some time to back it up if you have excessive text messages. In my case, it's only 74 MB. So you want to back it up, all the text. You want to do the latest backup, and once you do so, make sure to include videos as well so that you won't lose any media or videos as well. So back it up, and once you back it up, what you want to do is you want to head over to your Android device. You can simply open up WhatsApp, log into your account using the same phone number, and then retrieve the information, that is recover the backed up chats, and all your text messages and your account details will be there on the Android device. So this way you can transfer WhatsApp from iPhone to Android without cable. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.